On top our tori for today, Presido Buhari don tok say for democracy to tanda well for Nigeria, we go need to dey carry everybody waka together. Presido Buhari tok dis one give the leaders of National Assembly for Abuja when he host dem to dinner. He say wetin oyibo dey call neighborliness, dat na to dey put everybody for mind for national level and state level go help democracy get head for Naija. Muhammadu Buhari tok say if better relationship dey between the legislative arm of government, dat na people wey dey National Assembly, and the executive arm, e go pay everybody for Nigeria. He tok say body sweet am well unto how election take waka for National Assembly wey dem take select the leaders dem for the house. He tok say dis kind character show say dem get Naija people for mind and dem no put party for head. Presido Buhari say e go make plenty sense if Naija fit maintain and get better relationship with people wey dey Benin Republic and Cameroon. Say the fight wey Naija dey face with Boko Haram and other countries don join, and Naija too don carry food security matter waka with these countries dem. Presido tok say make dem stop to dey weigh Naija democracy with other countries wey don stand well as e be say na every country get where e dey pain am, and these developed countries dem don dey practice democracy for long. Senate Presido Ahmed Ibrahim Lawan come tell Presido Buhari say make e cool im mind as legislature already work with executive to carry Naija waka far. Lawan tok say 9th assembly na different assembly as e be say dem go collabo with Presido on top national issues. Speaker of House of Representatives Honorable Femi Gbajabiamila tok say election wey dem do for principal officers for National Assembly na clear matter, and say National Assembly go work with Presido Muhammadu Buhari to help improve the life of people wey dey for Naija. Na so we see this ogbonge update reach on top our tori for today. On top say Presido Muhammadu Buhari don tell National Assembly leaders say make dem sabi carry everybody waka onto plans for the country. Make una no forget say this ogbonge update na T Live Media na im dey carry am dey come give una. Make una no forget to subscribe, like, and even comment for our videos for our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV, and for Facebook you fit like and follow our page for T Live Media.